How have you been?
We've been great.
The last time you guys came here, is it already 3 months? Is it 3 months? And
I think it has been.
It's been already.
And we've missed you so much.
I'm glad that the Habitat Fair has smoked you people out of your home again.
Yes.
But I mean, for those who I'll be disappointed if it's the first time you're hearing Ayuda.
Yeah.
But for those who are almost still though, I want you to tell them what Ayuda is. Who wants to go?
Okay.
Veronica. Nice.
Yes. So the Ayuda app is a mobile app, and it allows you to get access to service providers on one platform. It is an app that connects you with people across the country. So for someone looking for a plumber, a painter, if you are looking for someone to fix your AC, your fridge, the Ayuda app is your go-to app. And we like to refer to it as a services market. So you know that whichever kind of service you are looking for, the Ayuda app has got you covered.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, a lot of people are quite afraid. It's okay that it's an app, but a lot of people also are worried about who gets to come into their house and all of that. What does this company do to ensure that people are still safe whilst their services are being delivered or rendered?
Okay, so safety is something that we prioritize at Ayuda. I mean, we know that we are dealing with people, we are dealing with property, so we cannot just let anyone come into your home. That's why for us, the onboarding of the service providers is very rigorous and crucial to say, because we take them through onboarding. That's where we take their basic details. We train them to make sure that they are mentally sound, because a lot of problems in this country has to do with like mental issues. So we have to know that this person coming, can they communicate with the customer? Can they relate? And even more importantly, do they have the skill set that they claim to have? So we make them take skill tests on that. And then after all of these, we give them in-person training or online training to verify every detail they've given us before we even verify them to come into your home to do any type of service at all.
That's really, really nice. But Martha, let's talk about the Habitat Fair, right?
Yes.
I know that you like us. I know that you like us. We also like you. But what's your business with Habitat Fair this year?
Okay, so when we talk about Habitat Fair, we are talking about homes.
Yeah.
And after buying the house or after owning the home, one next, we are looking at maintenance. And there is no maintenance without Ayuda app.
Of course.
From electricals, plumbing, fumigation, cleaning. The only app you can rely on is Ayuda. Because with Ayuda app, you don't have to save number of multiple service providers or skilled workers. You just have to submit the request at any given time. Ayuda is ready to support you. So with Ayuda app, homeowners are safe.
I made a friend through Ayuda. His name is Yakubu.
Oh my God.
He owes me fried rice.
Oh my God.
Who will tell him?
I will tell him. I will definitely tell him.
I'll tell him.
Yes.
I see that previously when you come, we've not had a conversation around the legal areas.
Yes.
What kind of confidence is the legal team giving to customers to enhance that? For people who have some concerns, they know that, well, when you go, there's a Veronica who will lead you
of course.
with everything. Let's hear from you, Veronica.
Okay, so for almost every organization, the laws of Ghana have rules and regulations that you must adhere to or you must comply with. We can look at data protection, for instance. There are certain requirements that as an institution who is processing people's data, you have to ensure that you have put systems in place to keep this very protected and confidential. We are looking at people giving you access to their home addresses. They are giving you access to sometimes their identification data, because we take their Ghana card. We have to be able to track our service providers and we have to be able to trace them and find them when we have to. So then when we take your Ghana card, we can get quite a lot of information from that. And that is something that the law requires us to keep safe, to protect. And so yes, with Ayuda legal team, we are making sure that the company itself complies with some of these requirements.
High five, baby.
Bernadette and Martha, the mini clinic is coming up.
Yes.
It's just a few days. Do you have any juicy offers?
There are. But it's a
No matter why you really
Because whatever we have is a secret, and we don't want to say it on air.
And they're more sorry.
So we want them to come to the stand and experience it.
Anticipate.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, because like homeowners, like we've been saying, right? It means a lot. To own a home and a property is not a joke, and it's something that we take serious. So we want to offer you juicy stuff, but you should come in and then experience it for yourself there.
No. I'm not happy. Will you give us discount? Should we come?
Yes.
Discount. So how can a person get the app?
Okay, so
they can simply get it on Google Play Store or App Store. It's Ayuda, AYUDA_app. So when we have customer and service provider. So if you want to sign up as a customer, all you need is your name, your phone number, and email. But for the service providers, they go through a rigorous process before we verify them on the app. So for service providers, it's kind of lengthy, but for customers, it's very easy. You just, your name, your phone number, your email, then you are good to go to make the request.
There's premium and something, right?
yes, premium and then flex.
Okay. Yeah?
I just want to explain that quickly.
Okay.
So with Ayuda Flex, you get to choose, should I say, bargain and negotiate the prices with the service providers. So you don't have to worry about being exploited by someone. And various service providers are competing to meet your budget.
Exactly.
And with Ayuda Premium, you are rest assured that the company is
VIP.
A fixed price.
but not prices that will exploit. But then there are prices that cut across the market.
Yeah.
So
And also
average price is what you find on Ayuda.
And Emefa, also in addition, very important, no service provider receives physical cash on the Ayuda app, right?
Okay.
So we do this for safety. So once the work is done, they complete the work, and the customer has to also make sure that it's done and complete from their end. It is only at that time where they have completed with satisfaction that we pay the service provider.
Okay.
So then the customer is rest assured that, okay, nobody's going to run away with my money and then do a shoddy job. And then the service provider is also rest assured that my money is with Ayuda, so once I'm done, they're eventually going to pay me.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yes, but we'll give your message to Yakubu.
Yes.
Okay. It's supposed to premium and rent to so.
VIP treatment. VIP treatment.
Okay. See, time Ben Amubedu Achimota Retail Center. What time would you get there?
Like
Will you wear blue, or the other time you came with another color?
Yeah, blue black.
Blue black.
This time around, we are coming with something special.
Hey. Okay. Okay, 21st to 23rd. Don't miss out. You're definitely going to meet my friends, Bernadette, Martha, and Veronica. All right? Say bye-bye. Your final words and say bye-bye.
Okay, so the message is very simple. Like we've mentioned already, owning a home is a very serious investment, and Ayuda takes that to heart. That is why we have bought the Ayuda app, to make sure that our customers' life become very easy and seamless. So all that you need to do is to go to the Google Play Store and App Store and download the Ayuda app, and then we will get you covered.
All righty. Yeah, Yakubu.
You're in trouble.
Well, thank you so much, Bernadette, Martha, and Veronica. See you at the Achimota Retail Center. Okay, that's a special invitation. Try the app. What do you say when we say Ayuda? What do you say?
Abako services be brave.
JoyNews Bako shows be brave. So please stay with for JoyNews Desk with Mami Esing and Michelle Thompson.
Okay.
This week on the Career Trail.
We got to play all these outdoor games, your Pilulu, your Chaskele, your Stay. Now, when I look back, it was great. Honestly, I wish I could relive some bits of it again. I realized that our parents absorbed a lot of pressure. They covered a lot of things so that we didn't have to see the struggles they had to deal with. I went to St. Augustine's College for two reasons. One, to disprove that infant sperm is